In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do withdrawal on the FINOVAWEALTH. That's the website that pays daily by performing taxes as well as doing referrals and also running promotions on the site. Indeed, this site is really paying. So this website, you register and activate your account with just 60 cedis and you unlock the magic of earning a lot by performing taxes such as watching YouTube videos, TikTok videos, answering simple trivia questions, as well as doing referrals on the site, and you get paid for doing such a task. Okay, so if you have not created an account, just check in the video description there. I've pasted my link there. Just tap on the link and create an account so as to activate your account and also unlock the major ways of earning on this website. And I promise you, this website is going to earn you cool cash per day. So when you log into your dashboard, you see your account balance. So account balance is the amount that I want to withdraw, and before you can withdraw from the account balance, you should have at least 50 cedis in your account balance. So my account balance is 255 cedis, so I want to withdraw it. Then you can see on the top left corner here, there's a menu icon there. Then you click there, then you go to withdraw. So when you go to withdraw, you can see we have withdraw account balance, withdraw first activities, withdraw ads balance. We also have withdraw YouTube balance, withdraw TikTok balance, withdraw survey balance, withdraw history. So you have to go to withdraw account balance because I want to withdraw from the account balance. And if you want to withdraw from the first activity, you can choose if it is ads balance or YouTube, any of them you select. So I want to withdraw from the account balance. I click on account balance. Then here you see select account, then I click to select account. That is Vodafone. Then I enter the amount here, 255. Then I enter the account number that I want the money to be sent to. So you see the request for withdrawal now. Then you tap on it. So you can see your payment request of 249 has been sent. Okay, which means that there will be a fee of 9 cedis from the site to one wallet, and one wallet processing it to MTN or Vodafone or any network. There's a fee of 4 cedis. So in all, there's a fee of 10 cedis per every withdrawal. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, can you subscribe to this channel and also give a like. Don't forget to share this video to your friends so as to also benefit from it. Here is the talk tech. That is the talk of the tech.